learn how to understand and evaluate your new property reassessment notice and gather your own evidence to support your tax appeal without hiring tax services. On Thursday, March 21st, 2024, 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. This is a free event at the Rogers Park branch of the Chicago Public Library at 6907 North Clark Street in Chicago, Illinois, 60626. For more information, please call 312-587-9494 or visit Raila and Associates, PC at www.railapc.com. 312-587-9494 and www.railapc.com.